Hey there, this is Rory. I just wanted to share the my Bitcoin mining with Swiss Gold Global. So I've been mining Bitcoin with Swiss Gold Global. Um, just to explain about how the Bitcoin mining works with Swiss Gold Global. Swiss Gold Global is a 10-year-old company. They started 10 years ago. It'll be 10 years coming up in I believe it's the in March that they'll be around for 10 years. So you're unlike a lot of companies that you may be coming across in the Bitcoin space. Swiss Gold Global started as the name suggests, they started with trading. So you are buying gold and silver, and they still sell gold and silver, which you can have shipped to your house or stored in their secure facility. Um, for anyone who understands about the economics of our, whether there be pounds or dollars or yen, all these currencies are depreciating in value. So, for instance, something that you could have bought uh, 10 years ago with that same amount of money, you could not buy that. I mean, for instance, say a cup of coffee, that would have cost you, maybe $1.50 or £1, £2 or something, 10 years ago. Now it would be, £3 or three or $4. So that's basically how what's happening with inflation. And if you don't understand this, you should really look into the inflation and how the dollars are losing their purchasing powers. So a major strategy that you want to be investing in is into deflationary assets. These assets are gold and silver and cryptocurrencies. So Swiss Gold Global, as I said, have been around for 10 years trading in gold and silver. However, uh, a number of years ago, they partnered up with Genesis Mining to offer Bitcoin lifetime mining contracts. So if you mine Bitcoin with Swiss Gold Global, you'll be partnering up with Genesis Mining, which is one of the most respected Bitcoin miners on the planet. So what I wanted to do today was just to share my Bitcoin mining Swiss Gold Global earnings, and it's been believe it's going to be 19 days that I've been mining Bitcoin with Swiss Gold Global. So I bought a executive miner package with Bitcoin with Swiss Gold Global. This is a Bitcoin mining executive miner package with Swiss Gold Global, and it's been mining out constantly for this month of February 2018 there. So I have in my Bitcoin wallet, which is stored on the Swiss Gold Global account, I have $175. So this is extremely profitable. Already, I've only 19 days, I've made $175 there. So this is really great. I have 10 terahashes of Bitcoin mining hash power there. So basically, this is mining 24/7. I'm getting payouts every day here through Genesis Mining, and then it goes into my Swiss Gold Global account because these two companies are partnered up there. And what's really great about Swiss Gold Global is often Genesis Mining is so popular that the contracts sell out. However, with Swiss Gold Global, the contracts are still available sometimes. They're through Swiss Gold Global because not so many people know about Swiss Gold Global, and so it's really fantastic that you can get access to these because in 2017, Bitcoin reached $18,000. It actually hit $20,000 at the end of December of 2017. So there was a huge influx of people that were looking to get interested into Bitcoin. A lot of people who didn't know what Bitcoin was, or so there were a lot of new people that came from the mainstream there because they were hearing about all this money being made from Bitcoin. And there, if you look at the the history of Bitcoin from a currency that has gone from 10 cents to nearly $20,000 in 2017 in December, and is projected to reach $50,000 in 2018. So a lot of people are very interested in getting into buying Bitcoin, but also into mining Bitcoin, because when you mine Bitcoin, you also multiply your amount of Bitcoin. If you buy Bitcoin, you will only ever have that amount of Bitcoin. So if you buy one Bitcoin, you will only ever have one Bitcoin. However, if you use the same amount of money to buy a contract, for instance, with Swiss Gold Global, then you could mine for a lifetime contract. So you can, that lifetime contract could pay you out, indefinitely there. So it could be, they believe another, maybe it could be 20, possibly 40 years of mining Bitcoin there, because it's just still only 1.5% of the global population know about Bitcoin there. So it's still very early days. So the mining difficulties and the profitability is still very high there. So that's what I'm saying is really get in quickly for these contracts, because they sell out very fast. And if you try looking for these Bitcoin mining contracts with Genesis, it's not possible to get any Bitcoin mining contracts. The lifetime mining contracts sell out very, very fast. Within a number of days, the contracts are sold out. Okay, that's basically what I wanted to just sort of break down, just the Bitcoin mining with Swiss Gold Global. If you have any more questions, you can contact me. Also, what I would suggest is that it's free to join Swiss Gold Global. So I'll leave a link in the description. What you can do is just sign up for Swiss Gold Global, and what they have inside of there is there's many resources in there. So there's lots of videos. You can learn more about the company. As I said, they're a 10-year-old company, but if you go inside the back office, which I'm showing you now, there's many videos, and also there's webinars with the owners of Swiss Gold Global. The owner is Bill Rowell, so he will be having webinars every so often. So it's absolutely free to join up, and you can learn more about the company and get comfortable about Swiss Gold Global. You'll find out more history, and just you can do your own research. But inside the members area is a really great place. There's also some education programs, because a lot of what Swiss Gold Global teaches is about actually breaking free from the debt cycle, from credit, paying off all this credit cards and debt and that sort of thing. So you're basically learning with Swiss Gold Global through people like Bob Proctor, and there's many other generational wealth experts within this company. So if you go inside the dashboard, there's many videos, and there's also education about learning how to build up more wealth in your life. Okay, this is Rory, and I hope this has been helpful. As I said, if you want to learn more, go down into the description. And also, if you have any other questions, please do not hesitate to email me. I'll leave my email in the description. Okay, wishing everybody a great day and all the best.